Today I am going to show you how to spawn a pet and how to use them as bodyguard in Menyoo. Go to Menyoo. For opening menu press F8, select objects spawner. Turn the spawner mode on. Then select spawn entity into world. Now go to spawn pet and select your pet. I am going to spawn Trevor. Now go back and click on Manage Entity Database. Now select your spawned pet. In my case it's Trevor. In that go to Paid option. Make the relationship to spawner friends. And is still block fleeing to off. Now go back and select Task Sequence. In that you have to add 2 tasks. First one is Fight Paid. Second one, Set active weapon. In set active weapon choose your favorite weapon for your bodyguard paid. Make the task status active. In the fight paid, select self, so that the bodyguards will be protecting us. Go back to paid options, and turn on Companion 7 Max. Now you can see he's following me. Enjoy the gameplay with the bodyguard.
Hey, don't stand for that bullshit! Why hasn't
What you open your damn eyes?
No way.
You slimy ass! You should have run away! Bullets!
Thanks for watching, hope you like it. Do subscribe to Mr. Incredible for such more video.